In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add keywords to Facebook ads. First things first, let's navigate to the Facebook Business Manager. This is where the magic happens, where you can access all your advertising tools and assets in one place. It's your command center for Facebook marketing. Now, to dive into the heart of Facebook advertising, you'll need to log in. Click on Login with Facebook, which will prompt you to enter your credentials. This is a safeguard to ensure that only authorized users can access the ad accounts. Choose the account you want to proceed with if you're managing multiple accounts, or simply proceed if you're using your primary account. Once you're logged in, look for the Ads section, usually located at the lower left panel of your dashboard. This is where all your ad campaigns live. Click on Ads Manager to get a closer look at your campaigns. Now that you're in Ads Manager, it's time to focus on the specific campaign you want to add keywords to. To do this, go to Campaigns. This will give you an overview of all the campaigns you're currently running or have run in the past. Next, drill down further by clicking on Ads within the campaign you've chosen. Here you'll see all the individual ads within the campaign. It's important to be specific about which ad you want to optimize with keywords, as different ads might target different audiences or objectives. Once you've identified the ad you want to work with, click on Edit. This action opens up all the settings and details of your ad, allowing you to make changes to its configuration. Think of this as the backstage of your ad where everything can be adjusted, from creative elements to targeting options. Your focus here is targeting, so click on your ad set to access the settings related to whom your ad is shown. The ad set level is where you decide on your audience, budget, schedule, and more. It's crucial to get this right to ensure your ad reaches the right people. Navigate to the Audience section. This is where Facebook allows you to define who sees your ad based on a variety of criteria, including demographics, interests, and behaviors. The more precisely you define your audience, the better your ad's performance. Now, for the main event, adding your keywords, find the option labeled Advantage Detailed Targeting. This is a powerful feature that lets you refine your audience based on detailed attributes, including the keywords related to interests, behaviors, and more. Once you're in the detailed targeting section, it's time to input your keyword, type it into the search box, and Facebook will show you a list of matching or related targeting options. These could include interests, behaviors, and other demographic specifics associated with your keyword. It's a bit like telling Facebook, find me people who are interested in this. After typing in your keyword, you'll see suggestions pop up. These are essentially Facebook's best guesses at what you might be trying to target. It's important to select the most relevant option to your ad's goal. This refinement process ensures that your ad is shown to a slice of Facebook users most likely to be interested in your product or service, making your ad spend more efficient. Remember, the addition of keywords is all about making your ad more relevant to your intended audience. It's a balancing act between being too broad, where you might attract uninterested parties, and being too narrow, which could limit your ad's reach. As you refine your target audience with keywords, keep an eye on the audience size indicator. This tool gives you feedback on whether your selected criteria are too broad, too narrow, or just right. The goal is to find a sweet spot where your audience is specific enough to be highly relevant, but not so narrow that you limit your ad's potential reach. Finally, after selecting your keywords and refining your audience, make sure to save changes. This update will apply your new targeting settings to the ad, optimizing its visibility among Facebook users who are most likely to take interest in your offering. Remember, the world of Facebook ads is dynamic. It's always a good idea to monitor your ad's performance and tweak your keywords or targeting criteria based on the results you're seeing. This continuous optimization process is key to finding what works best for your specific ads and audiences. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to adding keywords to your Facebook ads to ensure they reach the right eyes. Happy marketing, and may your ads find their perfect audience.